Hello.
Nobody wants to see me do all this. Look, there's a big spider web on it.
Ew, that's crusty.
That's what marks it.
Do you need a hook? No, you don't? Okay. It's a rat.
Very dirty. Not very big either, but a rat.
It's not as small as the one from yesterday. Oh.
Yeah, that one was really tiny.
Oh.
Oh, here. Here you go.
I caught it. Numero uno rat. Okay, so my dad, he's mean, so he jinxed this.
This one's strong and empty.
Oh, that's fine. That's an otter. I can't reach it. I need a hook.
1 second.
Okay. Oh, that's really hard to pull out. What the heck?
Nice size.
It's bending the rod a lot. Oh my gosh. Okay. What the heck? I don't understand.
Oh,
It's because you
little
jinxed
one.
us.
That is a little
You
one.
jinxed us, Dad. I blame you.
That's a this year one, probably. Little guy. This state is overrun with otters. But hey, you got an otter.
You mean
I didn't do it.
you jinxed it?
You gonna slap this back in that spot?
No, you can't.
Clearly a good pinch spot for otters.
Not for otters. We want muskrats. We don't want these guys. We
Can't
can
help
only
it.
get 2.
We can't help it if the otters like to swim around the rat huts too, I guess. That's all this was.
Okay, we'll see you guys at the next spot.
Is it running?
Yeah, I didn't even get that.
I'll spin us around this otter. And we can grab this rat. Are
Last
you gonna
thing-
grab it or am I?
You, cause it's a colony.
We got your hook.
Still.
That's off so people can actually hear.
Yeah.
Alright, it's all drifted in, so now we gotta do
That's
some
fun.
finagling. There's the edge.
Ice.
Stop going forward, boat.
You
I'd
really?
push us off with the spud, but we don't have it.
Yeah, you freaking lost it yesterday.
I didn't lose it, it's right where I left it.
We don't know that.
Pushed in the mud somewhere.
We don't know that.
It might not be standing upright anymore.
How are you gonna find it?
We'll see today.
Turn on. Come on, speed this up. We have 21 minutes left on this thing.
Okay, there you go.
No. Stop.
Yeah.
Oh, rat 2. Otter 1. Sadly.
Cold hand.
Okay,
All right,
next spot.
hurry.
Okay. He's going over there. I'm staying here and checking the tracks. I don't know where to go. You guys. What shall I do? Well, maybe you should have left it behind. You stay here. Shimmy, shimmy. Oh my gosh, I almost fell over. Tripped and empty this one.
Again?
Yep.
I was tripped in empty yesterday too. What are we missing with that one? Oh shit. Alright. You want to try to reach that one? I'll get this one reset.
Okay, help me. Okay, we're good. Don't let me float away. I need this. Oh my gosh. Look at that. We are now up to 3 rats and an otter. Okay, we'll see you guys in a little bit. It's the spud!
Right where we left it.
Next to a trap. That I don't know.
Hold the boat.
What?
So that's right where we left it, having it hold the boat.
Yeah, and then you left it behind.
I can see that trap's right there still. See it up in there?
Yep.
What's this one? That one's still right there.
Okay.
Alright.
Okay, see you guys in a minute. But look it's
Don't
alive.
forget the spud.
The water actually went up, it looks like. Guys, it's alive. Hello.
Oh, they got tangled.
Hello, friend. Hi.
Oh, the trap fell down in that crack after he got caught. So then he couldn't jump off the log. Alright.
Here, we're gonna deal with him. We'll see you guys in a minute.
Whoop. Okay, that beaver's still swimming down there, and we don't have beaver traps with us. Figures. We can catch it tonight. What do you got? Oh, a miss.
Absolutely nothing.
Missed it. Alright.
Bippity boppity.
You gonna get a reset?
No.
Alright, I'm gonna take this.
I'm
and
not
get it
getting
going.
cold hands.
You don't want cold hands.
Ah!
Wear your gauntlets.
Where's your gauntlet?
Just a little bit of fur. I bet we pinched its belly.
Okay, we'll see you guys at the next spot. What do you say?
Bye.
It's another mini rat.
Wow. That thing is little.
Little guy. Added to the pile.
The footholds are producing. They're either tripped and empty or with a catch. I need to start turning that motor off, but I'm worried by how it's hesitating when we try to start it. Climbing up there. That one's a conibear.
So it probably has nothing.
Probably. Ready?
Go.
I don't know why you're having me do all the work again.
This is our 14 minutes, so speed up.
14 minutes. I better get some work done. Get some stuff downloaded.
Yeah.
He's all tangled up. Another big one. The big ones are definitely moving in this warm-up. There you go, shake him out a little.
Okay, we'll be back, guys.
This kind of looks like it got pushed down a little.
Was I looking at the right thing? I don't even know.
Oh, he said there's a rat here.
I saw claws over there.
Oh, that's a conibear. Did we have 2 footholds here?
We must have, cause...
I bet you we did. Didn't we have one over there?
Yeah, probably. Cause I swear so.
I thought we had 2 on it.
What the freak?
Yep, there's a wire right here. Or this one. Yep, this one's got weight on it. Yep, you saw a claw.
Yeah.
You were right.
We're up to 6 now. And the sun's going down.
Big rat, too.
That's pity.
Big rat too. Look at that. Jumbo.
Jumbo. Oh.
Alright, you setting this?
No.
Oh, we got a conibear back there too. I
We
forgot.
do?
Look at that thing. That thing's big. I'll get this one set. It was in that corner. Yeah, that one's just a conibear for if they swim through the cattails. I remember.
With your luck with the conibears,
Maybe it'll be another otter.
No. No. Don't say that.
Can you...
We only got one. We don't have to fill
use that
the
spot,
tanks.
baby, and push us in.
Okay. Hold on. Whoop, you make...
And it's got a rat.
Rat.
Got a bunch of its belly with that one too. Look. It wasn't going nowhere.
Okay. Add to the pile. Oh my gosh. It's at 6%. We need a new battery. We'll see you guys in a little bit.